Hello students, this is Miss Janice and today we're gonna talk about cyberbullying. What is cyberbullying? Do you know? Think about it. What is cyber? What is bullying? Cyber is online computer. Bully is someone that makes people sad, mad, or angry with their harmful comments. It is basically someone that hurts or embarrasses another child online. Cyberbullying is bullying that takes place over digital devices like cell phones, computers, and tablets. Cyberbullying can occur through text, apps, or online social media forums or gaming where people can view, participate in, or share content. What is it about? Cyberbullying includes sending, posting, or sharing negative, harmful, false, or mean content about someone else. It can include sharing personal or private information, causing embarrassment and humiliation. What can we do to help? Remember that being mean to people is not funny. You must always think about what are you going to do before you take an action. Do not use the internet and social media when you are mad at someone. Anything that happens on the internet stays there. The fact that you do not see it, it doesn't mean that it is gone. Everyone's feelings are important. You must respect them. Keep in mind, bystanders are guilty too. If your friends are bullying someone, you must stand up and say something. Recognize the difference between cute and creepy. If an old guy who wants to date someone younger is just creepy, I think it's illegal. You do not accept their follower requests and do not meet them out of line. Do not feed the cyberbullies. Block them and report the user to the website or app where the bully occurs. Do not just sit there. Report. Report to the police or to cybertipsline.org. As we continue on, we will watch this video, The Powers of Words, and then we will answer these questions with the help of one parent. These assignments will be attached to the handout on Google Classroom. And remember, before you post something here, think. It is true, it is helpful, it is inspiring, is it necessary, is it kind? I hope you learned something. Have a wonderful day.